All right, so click on new file. Okay, then here you can change your width and height to what you want, but I'm going to keep it as 6000 by 6000, so you can also keep it like that. Then you go on to create. All right, so here again you can change the name that you want to save the file later. So we are going to save it as profile picture. Okay, and then we can change the width and the height, and this is the size that we are expecting, 130 megabytes. Okay, whatever. So then press on OK. All right, now let's create a perfect circle here. Let's come to this tool here, which is called rectangle. Right, click on it and select the ellipse tool. All right, now if you want to create a perfect circle, you'll have to left click, press on the left button, also press on shift button, and then you drag it like that to create your profile picture circle. Okay, that's better. All right, now let's use the move tool to move our circle to the center. This is a move tool here, or you can still press on V and come and drag it to wherever you want. I think this place is okay. All right, okay, now we need to bring in the picture that we want to use for the design. So we'll go to file, go to open, look for the image that you want. So I want to use this one, so you select it, press on open. It will open in another place, but don't worry, just press on it like this. You still have the move tool here, so press on it, left click, and then drag it into this new place. Did you see how I did it? So you drag it from the previous place, move it towards this one where we have profile picture, and then you come in here. You can see there's something attached to our mouse pointer, so you drop it inside this one. All right, so you can see that it has formed another layer here on top of the first shape, which is a circle. All right, so let's expand the image. You can see it's very small here. Expand it to the size that you want. So we're going to expand it for it to cover the whole circle. Okay, so when you think it's okay, press on this mark here, this check button here, for it to mark. All right, so you can see the picture is now showing. So this is what we are going to do to put the picture inside the shape. Come over here between these two layers, and you see that there's a hand there. Once you see the hand, kindly press on Alt on your computer, Alt button, and then move your hand around until you see this arrow. Do you see that, guys? Let me go again. Move the hand, should be here. Click on Alt, move it about until you see this arrow, the curved arrow here with that box there, and then you left click, press on Alt. When you see that thing, you left click. Okay, you saw what happened, right? So that's it. That's how you're able to create something like this. Let's position our image inside it very well. All right, nice. And then if you want to add our text, now we can go to T here, come. All right, then after positioning it very well, you can come select the two of them. So if you press the first one here, then you press on Control on your PC, press on Control, and also select the circle. Can you see both of them are selected now? All right, so you right click and then you go to merge layers. So this will combine the picture and the shape to become one. So merge layers. So you can see they have become one layer there. and then we can resize the two of them together just how we want. Okay, so then after resizing it, we can move it to somewhere in the middle here, and then we press on this mark button here. All right, let's go on to add the text to it. Press on this T button here. Then when you come here, just click down here, then it will automatically give you some text, so put your name there. So I'm going to put, this is Pastor Oyedepo, so I'll put that one there. All right, then I can move. When you come to the corner of it here, you see that it has changed to this side. That means you can move it about. So I'll move it to the middle here, mark it, go to your move button, and you can see it has been selected. All right, now come to this side here where you have character. Then this one at the top here is what we use to increase the size. So open it up, let's increase it a little bit, or you can still come to this side here. You see how you stretch it like then it will be increasing the size for you. So you can see, very nice. Want to change the color of the text, you can just press on color at this side here. Okay, so if you are done with that, you press on this mark button here. For me, the color is okay for me, but if you want to change the color, you can still press on color there, and then you change it for the text, and then we'll go on to save it. So we'll go to save first as an editable file. So I'll save it first here as an editable file in the form of Photoshop PSD. So I'll save it so that I can make changes to it anytime I want. Okay, then now I want to save it as a picture, so I'll go to file again, go to save a copy, and then you go to, so for the previous one that we created, so you go to finished works. This is where I want to save it, and then I'll come here, select JPEG, and I'll press on save, and then make sure that your this is on large file here at the highest form, and just press on OK. All right, so it has been saved successfully for us. We can now go to where we saved it, and we'll see that it will create a very nice picture for us that we can use for our profile picture if we want to. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly press the subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.